Hello! After watching this video, students will be able to utilize tools in SolidWorks to check for any existence of undercuts for a part, ensuring that the design will be manufacturable by means of a prescribed mold pull direction. Shown in SolidWorks is an AC LED driver. In order to be able to check the manufacturability by means of, perhaps, by a pull mold, undercuts should not be present in terms of the direction which the mold will be pulled from in order to help reduce costs of manufacturing. To determine the presence of an undercut, there is a feature within SolidWorks to check. Going underneath the Evaluate tab of the Command Manager, there is a button for Undercut Analysis. You can see that there is a Property Manager window that appears on the left side of the screen. The analysis parameters contains the direction of pull in relation to the pull of mold, which would release the molded part. There are also other options in terms of selecting a particular specific coordinate axes if you have one in mind, as well as some other options. For this tutorial, I will stick to a basic plane to choose for the direction of the pull. In this case, it will be the top plane. In selecting the top plane, when I rotate the object, you can see that there are regions which are colored red, as well as different shades of blue. The red shows that there are occluded or obstructions which would cause a problem for the pull mold. Under the analysis parameters as well is shown a box named Highlight Occluded Regions. By default, this is checked. However, observing when I uncheck it, the whole face turns to a red color for which there was an undercut for on both sides of this part, indicating that checking the box allows the user to pinpoint exactly almost which features of the design can cause an undercut to be present. This process can also be repeated to determine the best direction from which to manufacture this part. I will select this highlight occluded regions for this currently. You can see that these two flanges right here on both sides of the part are a problem in manufacturing of the pull of the mold by the top plane. By repeating it for the other types of planes, you can see that some planes of pull would cause more difficulty in manufacturing the part than others, in that there are more undercut problems in some directions of the planes versus other planes which are chosen. You can also select and play with these different types of colors if you wish.